Well, I figured it was a good day to get going on the brakes here. Got the new brake line on. I decided it was easier than try to twist that nut and breaking the line off, just to put the line on that way. That's how I took it off. I had to pull the backing plate off to change out the brake cylinder. So now I'm just in the process of putting that back together. So I'm going to install the brake cylinder back on, put the brakes on, the new brakes on and everything, and repack the bearings and put this side together and then get to work on the other side. Well, I got the new brakes on there. I got the new brake cylinder on there, the new brake line on there. Now I am just busy repacking the bearings. It's a dirty job. I tried talking to wife into doing it, but she wouldn't do it. So I'm going to repack the bearings, adjust the brake, and finish up the side, and I think that's going to be it for a day. It's been long enough. It's a beautiful day. I might go for a rip on the Harley. So I'll be back in a bit. Thank you. Well, I got the new brake cylinder in this side, the new line on it. To remove the old line, it was rusted in there pretty bad, so I ended up just cutting it. And luckily, where it connects is just right there. And I do happen to have a couple new lines. Hopefully one of these will work. And my little bender. So I'm going to finish up the brakes and get that line connected. I did get the drums turned. It was bugging me. You go and put new brake cylinders on there, new shoes, everything new, and the drums were a little rough. So I went down to Bud's Auto here in Medicine Hat yesterday, and I got them to turn the drums for me. So now they're just like new. So I'm going to continue this up, and I'll let you know what I'm doing next. And here's something I haven't seen in a long time. Went to move my jack stands from the garage out to underneath the car, and I came across a little black widow. I haven't seen one of these in years, and kind of scary. I had my hand right where it was more or less laying. Just on a quick little drive down the back alley with Leonard. Halloween time, so I got old skeleton hanging out in here. And I do have the brakes fixed. All brand new brakes all the way around, new brake cylinders, shoes. Drums have been turned, some new drums. So I got brakes. And while I was at it, I also had ordered some shocks, so I put the new shocks on it. So that's all done. I'm gonna just run her down to the end of the alley and turn her around and take her home. And then later on today, I might start putting in an electronic ignition conversion. So stay tuned for more updates. Thanks for watching. What are you doing, kiddo?
So we're gonna join in Grandpa's car. And we got brakes. Ain't dying today. Nope.
Well, good evening, everybody. Welcome back to Crazy for Cars. I'm Lyndon. Just a little quick update on the Belvedere. I did get all the brakes working. Works fine. Nice to have brakes on it again. I did get all the new shocks on it. So that's working. I was going to install the other day the electronic ignition conversion by Pertronics onto the car. But I pulled the distributor cap off and I checked, and the mechanical and the vacuum advance on the distributor ain't working. So I went online to Rock Auto, and I do have a new distributor coming for it. And while I figured I'm working on that, I might as well order the carb rebuild for the Carter carburetor on it. It's got a little 2-barrel. And a new distributor drive gear because it seemed to be a little bit worn. So those parts should be here by the end of the week. When they arrive, I will start the install of that stuff and let you guys know how it all goes. So once again, thank you for watching. I'm Lyndon. If you like this video, please like, subscribe, and have yourself a great day. Thanks. Bye.